Guys, 1.2 question number 3, prove that the greatest integer function f from R to R given by f of x equal to square bracket of x is neither on 1 nor on 2, where square bracket of x denoted the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Now the solution. First, the functions f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to greatest integer function of x. For on 1 1, now f of 1 minus 2 is equal to greatest integer function of 1 minus 1.2 is equal to 1. The greatest integer less than or equal to this value. Then f of 1.9 is equal to square bracket of 1.9. This is equal to 1. Therefore, f of 1.2 equal to f of 1.9, but 1.2 is not equal to 1.9. Therefore, f is not 1 to 1. Then for on 2, now consider 0.7 belongs to R in the domain. In the codomain, we know that f of x is equal to square bracket of x is always an integer. Thus, there does not exist any element x belongs to R in the domain such that f of x is equal to 0.7. Therefore, f is not on 2. Hence, f is neither 1 to 1 nor on 2. Question number 4. So that the modulus function f from R to R given by f of x equal to modulus of x is neither on 1 nor on 2, where modulus of x is x if x is positive or 0, and modulus of x is minus x if x is negative. Now the solution, f of x is equal to modulus of x, this is defined as x if x greater than or equal to 0, minus x if x less than 0. Here function f from R to R for 1 to 1. Modulus of minus 1, f of minus 1 equal to modulus of minus 1 equal to 1. F of 1 equal to modulus of 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, f of minus 1 equal to f of 1, but minus 1 is not equal to 1. Therefore, f is not 1 to 1. For on 2, for any x belongs to R, f of x equal to modulus of x is always positive, or 0. Now the value, the negative value of f of x is not a image of any value of x in R, the domain. Therefore f is not on 2. Hence f is neither 1 to 1 nor on 2. Question number 5. So that sigma function f from R to R given by f of x equal to model 1 if x greater than 0, 0 if x equal to 0, minus 1 if x less than 0 is neither 1 1 nor on 2. Solution for 1 1, for 1 to 1, if x greater than 0, f of x is equal to 1. Now f of 1 equal to f of 2 equal to 1 since 1 comma 2 greater than 0. Therefore f of 1 is equal to f of 2, but 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore f is not 1 to 1, not 1 to 1. For on to, now as f of x takes only three values 1 comma 0 comma minus 1 in the codomain, since these three values only becomes the image for the element minus 2 in codomain R, there does not exist any x in the domain R. Therefore f is not on 2. Hence f is neither 1 to 1 nor on 2. Question number 6. Let A equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 and B equal to set of 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7, and let f equal to 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 6 be a function from A to B so that f is 1 1. Solution. Now A equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3, B equal to set of 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 is divided by f equal to set of 1 comma 4 comma 2 comma 5, 3 comma 6. Here f of 1 is equal to 4, f of 2 equal to 5, f of 3 equal to 6, It is seen that the images of distinct elements of A under F are distinct. Hence F is 1 to 1. Note here the domain has 3 elements and the codomain has 4 elements. Thus the element 7 has no pre-image. Therefore here F is not onto function. Since 7 has no pre-image.